Hey, welcome to Hammerit's Renovation. Seems there was a lot of interest in the motion stair light, so thought I would cover it for you and show you what all's involved and how to put them in.
That's cool.
Not necessarily doing an install, but I'm going to show you how they were installed, and then I'm going to show you everything that comes in with the kit. So this is the bottom step, and that little round thing there is the motion light. And as soon as it senses motion either down here and there's another one up top, then they will come on. So let's come on out. You can see they go all the way up. Now we did have number 4 out up there, and the wire got wiggled and now it works again. So this isn't hard to do if you have access to underneath the staircase. Let me show you what all's involved. All right, so I'm going to show you an up close of the lamp itself. And there it is underneath the bull nose of the tread. And there's a hole where it will go through the step and underneath the plug in. Now here is underneath the top of the stairs. This is going to be above a tub that's getting installed, but you can see there are the holes where they're drilled in, and all the wires run down the center and then on the other side of this little wall. So under the steps is where the receptacle is, and there's the transformer that provides the power. And here's the Komigan Intelligent Motion Sensor Stair Lighting Controller. That's a long name. So you can see it has 16 inputs, and that's for the 16 lights. And then there are the sensor where it plugs in. And there's sensor A. And you can add up to 32. But since there are 16 stairs here, that is all that's put in. So when you do these, there's no need to have to worry about keeping the wires in order unless you just want to do that, because you can plug them in one at a time. As long as you got someone to say where it lit up, then you plug that one in the correct location. And you can adjust the speed of the lights coming on, or you can adjust the brightness and the duration, so you can make them stay on longer. So it's a pretty simple design, simple install. All you need is access to the bottom side of your stairs. So the Komigan KMG 3233, there's just some, if you want to check out how to install this. And you can see it comes with 16 leads for the lights, some zip ties. And there's your transformer. Inside of here is the control box. And actually, it does give you stickers so you can label wires. And then these here are the motion sensors. You go at the top and bottom. And then here are all of the lights. And they have an adhesive back, so you don't have to screw them in. If you choose to screw them in, they do have hardware in there. But that's all 16. And so what's going to happen is, you can tell this kit that was previously installed has 6 cool white and the other 10 are warm white. I don't know how they got mixed up in the same box, because you can't order a combination, and these do not switch from one color to another. So these were ordered a couple of years ago and then were installed but never hooked to power. So it wasn't until last week that we realized there was no, they were all not the same. So if you're interested to see the manual and you can't scan those QR codes, you can just pause where you'd like. Here's some of the functions. So if you're interested in getting your own Komigan Motion Stair Lights, I'll leave a link down in the description since we are an Amazon affiliate, and you can get you some. So especially if you have new construction or if you have access to underneath of your stairs, you can easily add this on, and it might take a couple hours, but you can do it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope this answers any of the questions that people had about this system, and we appreciate you watching. Talk to you later.